So hey guys, we decided to stay another night here at the Salton Sea because the weather is just so incredibly fabulous. It's 23 degrees Celsius, full blue sky every single day. So we're kind of loving it. Anyways, we're gonna cook up some Kobe beef hamburgers. Yeah, so we're gonna have a little barbecue here and cook up some hamburgers. All right, let's mix this meat up here first, and then we'll get the barbecue going. So we'll cut into here. It's a pound of Kobe beef, so I should get at least four or five patties out of it. Gotta get my gloves on. Okay. Smells okay. My sous chef takes that. So I think I want some, I know this is not conventional, but I want some curry in there. A lot of curry. That much. And then maybe Anne could put some salt and pepper in there for me. That's good, thank you. Keep going. Keep going. That's good, thank you. And I'm not going to put any eggs or breadcrumbs or anything because normally I would, but that's meatloaf. And we're not making meatloaf. So we'll try to mix this up a little bit, get that seasoning through there. Oh, this smells really good. I don't know if you've ever tried curry in a hamburger before, but it's excellent. I love it. Okay, so doesn't matter how much it's mixed, I don't think. And then we'll shape them into the hamburger patties. If you make them thin, they'll cook quicker. So there we go. That's okay. There's one. Probably put some cheese on here. I've got some pepper jack cheese, which will go really nice with this. Oh, I forgot to put chili flakes in here. I was gonna make it a spicy one. That's okay. I could sprinkle it on top. So there we go, that's 4 burgers. Those are quarter pounders. You can put onion in your burgers. You could put chili flakes in your burgers. I'm gonna do that. Anne's gonna sprinkle some on for me. Just a little bit. Yeah, we got some chilies from Thailand. We like it reasonably hot, not, you know, unbearably hot, but there we go. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get these on the barbecue now. Okay, we're gonna flip these guys. Oh, yeah. Turn that down. Okay, some pepper jack cheese. Lots of cheese. Okay, and then we got some mushrooms. Made these the other day.
Oh, you were going to heat the rest in the flour.
Oh, I forgot, yeah. Okay, I'll just...
Heat the rest in the flour.
Then we got these little mini burgers for Anne.
Yeah.
Like meatballs. Okay. Okay, we're gonna pull these off. They're all cooked. and then we'll take you inside. So there's our finished product. We got Kobe beef with pepper jack cheese, mushrooms, avocado, tomato, mayonnaise, and mustard. Doesn't that look yummy? So I'll taste this for you guys. I don't know if I can eat 2 of them, but and the other 2 we're gonna put them for another day. Wow, guys, look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, let's have a taste. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's beautiful. It's messy. That means it's a good burger. Oh, it's delicious. Mmm. I can taste all the smoke from the barbecue. Mushrooms are delicious. And the cheese is nice, and I can taste that curry in there. I really like that. That's an awesome burger. That's 10 out of 10. Cheers, guys. Another train. This guy's gonna park over there. He's on the spur line. And then probably 3 or 4 trains will pass going in the opposite direction. So that is about the 20th train to go by today. So if you like trains, you're gonna love it here. Well guys, it's our last night here in the Salton Sea. We just had that excellent hamburger. Barbecued hamburgers, those were so delicious. Or this beautiful sunset behind me. Look at that sunset, isn't that gorgeous? Anyways, so it's our last night here in the Salton Sea. Tomorrow we have a really big day, so we're gonna pack everything up right now so that first thing tomorrow morning we'll make a cup of coffee and we're gonna hit the road again. Good morning, guys. So we're leaving the Salton Sea. Yep, it was a great couple of nights here. We really enjoyed it. Nice, beautiful blue sky every day. Kind of warm, you know, 20-ish, 23, whatever, but it was quite nice. Very windy last night, but that was okay. Not as bad as when we were in Palm Springs. But yeah, we're off to some more adventures here, and we'll go find another boondocking spot. All right, let's go. Okay. All right, so let's go. Anne has joined us.
Hello.
We got a quarter tank of fuel. We got to try to make it to Arizona because the fuel is, we'll save $150 on a tank full if we go there. This RV's got a 150-gallon tank in it. It's pricey. Wow, what a beautiful day. No, zero clouds, like zero, not even a hint of a cloud. So we're gonna get on this highway here, which is highway number 111 South. Oh, it feels good to be moving again, right? It always does. The heat, right? So we're a mile away from the Holtzville Hot Spring BLM land. Yeah, this is it, right? That's it. Oh, man, that road is awful.
Yeah, you need to go slow. There's another big one.
Yeah. Well, let's go ask the camp host. I'm sure you can just stay one night. I'm going to pause this. This Holtzville Hot Springs BLM land is actually for long-term visitors only. So it's $40 for
2 weeks.
2 weeks if you want to stay here.
Or whatever the long term is. I think it's
Yeah.
180 bucks.
Yeah, or 180 for, you can stay, I believe up to 6 months here, which is nice. But we just wanted one night and they said, no, you can't do that. So we were gonna go somewhere else and find somewhere else to stay the night. So there's the Mexican border, guys. That black wall up there. Pretty close. We drove across the entire United States heading south on this. These are all the guys up there. Parked right here. Well, hey guys, we made it. We're at the Midway Campground in California. So we're about a mile from the Mexican border, which is just behind the camera here. I'll point down that way. 0.8 of a mile. Look at those sand dunes. Isn't that beautiful? We're gonna check those out tomorrow morning. We're at the sand dunes. The sun's set already. I'll give you guys a little spinaroo here. This is where everybody comes to ride their dune buggies. California sand dunes. I believe it's like 80 miles of sand dunes out here, heading north from here. There's our RV down over there. Pretty cool, eh? And if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and if you would like to comment, that would be awesome. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. See you next time. Oh.